son, are you hurt? And in our story, we're going to help those kids become a little kinder. And we'll talk about how we do that. So let's make up a name, Melody, about our school. Melody, name any fruit. Name any fruit. Pineapple. The name of this pretend school is Pineapple Elementary. So if Ruff tries to talk with you, you're going to roll your eyes very dramatically and say, whatever. Let's rehearse that. Ready? Ready? I have a feeling you're going to be good at this. Ready? Go. Hello. How are you?
My name is Chelsea Siciliano, and I teach 5th and 6th grade, and we just saw Kids for Kindness with Mark Beckwith, and it was absolutely fantastic. It was age appropriate. The kids loved it. Even though there were puppets involved, Mark does such a great job making sure that it's appropriate for the upper elementary school grades, and the kids were completely engaged and laughing and had a blast. So I highly recommend his show.
Oh, that's a picture of Gruff. What's Gruff doing? Flossing. Let's post it. No, we're not going to post it. It's just a joke. No, not even as a joke. If you post it, somebody might repost it, and somebody else might repost it. You can't take it back. It's there forever. If a boy were new at school, you could make his day. All you do is include him by asking him to play. Repeat this. Be kind. Be kind. Then others will be kind too. Be kind. Now Winnie never cried in front of the bullies because she didn't want them to see that she was hurt. But sometimes she would cry as she walked home. One girl, Bonnie, constantly made jokes about Winnie, and Winnie had never done anything to deserve that. One day, Bonnie arrived at school with a broken ankle. Of course, my last name is Beckwith. When I was 13, a kid started calling me Becky. And then another kid started calling me Becky. And then another kid started calling me Becky. And my teeth were a little big for my face at the time, and some kid kind of changed that into Bucky. Another kid started calling me Bucky. I didn't like it. So that's the idea, is we need to be respectful, courteous about what we call people. I always ask people if they like the name that I'm calling them. All right, everybody say respect. That means you treat others the way you want to be treated. Who has a pet at home? Dog, cat. It sounds like you were starting to gossip. Do you know what gossip means? Yeah, eating trash.
McIntyre, and I teach 1st grade, and my kids absolutely love the show. They were laughing and smiling and talking about it all the way back to class.
Backwards in slow motion!